Hello and welcome back to Metabase. This short video will show you how to use pivot tables to present data in more readable ways. Let's say we want to know the annual pre-tax revenue by state and by product category. We'll start with our orders dataset and construct this summary. Sum of the subtotal grouped by the year and the product category, and the state. When we run this query, we get a table with all the information we asked for, but it's a bit hard to understand. Let's click on Visualization and select Pivot Table. Metabase immediately creates a table in which the state and year label the rows as major and minor headings, and the categories label the columns. Across each row, we can see a total in the right-hand column, and if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, we can see column totals as well. If we want to hide or show some of this detail, we can click on the minus and plus signs. Or we can come over here to the control panel on the left, select the major category, and turn off the totals entirely. This visualization is useful, but others might give you more insight. For example, we might decide that we want to have the state on one axis and the year and category on the other. Which one helps you most depends on what problems you're trying to solve. If you'd like to know more about pivot tables, please read the full tutorial or check out our excellent documentation. And if you'd like more videos like this one, please give us a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel. Thank you.